In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable sticky keys on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best results, come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select accessibility on the left panel. And then on the right side, just scroll down underneath the interaction settings near the bottom and select keyboard. Where it says sticky keys, toggle this to on position by enabling it. And then once you've done that, you can open up additional settings for that too. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.